Channel News Asia.com said, just weeks ago, some visitors were complaining that Bali's famous sand and surf spot of Kuta Beach was way too busy. Now it is deserted, with access banned as part of measures to curb the spread of the new coronavirus, which has killed nearly 241,559 people around the world and infected more than 3.5 million. The picture in Bali is similar at other top Asia-Pacific destinations such as Sydney's Bondi Beach and Thailand's Phuket. To stop the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, all the beaches in Kuta area closed for public, reads a sign in Bali, Indonesia, the country with the highest coronavirus death toll in Asia after China, where the virus emerged. COVID-19 is the disease caused by the coronavirus, which emerged in central China late last year. The virus has killed 872 people in Indonesia out of 12,071 cases, but more limited testing than in neighboring countries means the figures are widely believed to be higher. The long Easter weekend would normally be a busy time in Bali, but not this year. Business is down almost 95%, said souvenir shop owner Ruju, who like many Indonesians uses only one name. I have to borrow money just to buy food. Not everyone agreed with the restrictions on the beaches. Among them was Australian Daniel Baker, who said it would be better to just enforce social distancing of up to 2 meters to prevent the virus spreading. When I went for a surf last week I was on Kuta Reef, 1 kilometer offshore. The nearest surfer was 200 meters away, so why can't I do that, he told Reuters. I should be able to swim or surf, it's important for mental health and exercise to stay healthy to fight COVID.